Hello everyone, welcome back. Now let us start problem number 15, which is you probably did problem number 12.4 from the point of view of an observer on the ground. Now do it from the point of view of the police car, the outlaws and the bullet. So this was the problem number 12.4 which was given to us that we did. I hope you understood it very well. And if you have some doubts, let me know in the comment section. Now let us continue with the problem number 15 of Griffiths Electrodynamics, 4th edition, chapter number 12. So what does he say? He says that we need to find out speed of uh, ground with respect to police, and in this case right here, and speed of bullet with respect to ground also. So first of all, let us calculate speed of bullet with respect to ground. So speed of bullet, applying Einstein's velocity addition formula, speed of bullet with respect to ground is given by speed of ground, speed of bullet with respect to ground. Yes, so you need to read it like the speed of bullet with respect to ground. If you change the order, then a negative sign will be appearing here. All right, you have to be careful in this case. So applying velocity addition formula, we get speed of bullet with respect to police plus speed of police with respect to ground divided by 1 plus speed of bullet with respect to police into speed of police with respect to ground upon c square. Now, seeing the speed of bullet with respect to police is from here, speed of bullet with respect to police is given as 1 by 3. Speed of bullet with respect to police is given like in this part, plus speed of police with respect to ground is given by 2 by c, and putting the values again here, we get 1 by 6 c square, and this c square is cancelled by this c square. So we get 5 by 6 here in this part, and 7 by 6 in this part C. So we get 5 by 7 as the C as the velocity of bullet with respect to ground. Let me plug in the values 5 by 7 C. Now calculating further the value of speed of, let me use another pen, speed of ground with respect to police. So speed of police with respect to ground is just negative of speed of ground with respect to police, so minus 1 by 2c. Now coming to speed of police with respect to police, so a person in his own reference frame is zero. That's we very well know from our special theory of relativity. Now coming to speed of outlaws with respect to police. So speed of outlaws with respect to police we need to calculate. So speed of outlaws with respect to ground plus speed of ground with respect to police upon 1 plus VOG plus VGP upon C square. Remember, you need to calculate the formula. I guess have you read? I guess have you have read the velocity addition formula? It is VAB is equal to VAC plus V, or you can write here VAC and VCB upon 1 plus VAC VCB upon C square. It is like this. I hope you know it very well. All right, I'm using this formula here. So velocity of or speed of outlaws with respect to ground is given by 3 by 4 C. Now, the speed of ground with respect to police. So speed of ground with respect to police is minus 1 by 2c. It is very important. 1 upon minus, what we get is 3 by 8, and c square is cancelled by this c square. So we get 4, 3 minus 2c upon 5 by 8. So we get, this is cancelled by this, we get 2 by 5 c. So the speed of outlaws with respect to police is given by 2 by 5 c. And the question is again he's asking, do they escape in this case first of all? So in this case, do they escape means if the bullet reach the outlaws at the time when they were traveling in their car. So let us calculate. So the outlaws were traveling by 3 by 4 c, and the bullet goes by 5 by 7 c with respect to ground, and this is also with respect to ground. So on making the denominator same, we get 21 by 28 c, and here we get 20 by 28c. So this was the speed of bullet, this is the outlaws. So do they escape? Yes, they escape because their speed is higher than the speed of bullet that we see from the ground. Now coming to the next part, do they escape? Part number B. So it is traveling by 1 by 3c, and it was bullet with respect to uh, police. Yes, in this case, bullet is with respect to police. So bullet with respect to police was traveling more than the, let me calculate, the outlaws. Outlaws was 2 by 5 and bullet was 1 by 3. So which is more? Let us calculate 5 by 15, and this is multiplying it by 3, 6 by 15. So which is more? This is more. It means outlaws are again traveling with more speed. So do they escape? Yes, they did escape. Now coming to the next part, is the next part is the speed of, let me just change my pen. He's saying that speed of ground with respect to outlaws. We calculated speed of outlaws with respect to ground. Ground with respect to outlaws is 3 by minus 3 by 4c. I'm sorry. Now coming to speed of police with respect to outlaws. So we have calculated speed of outlaws with respect to police, and speed of police with respect to outlaws is just negative of that. Now coming to outlaws with respect to outlaws, again zero, because in their reference they do not travel, they do not themselves travel. So now coming to speed of bullet with respect to outlaws. Now this is important. Speed of bullet with respect to, let me just check again. Speed of bullet with respect. So speed of bullet with respect to ground plus speed of ground with respect to outlaws upon 1 plus speed of bullet with respect to ground, speed of ground with respect to bullet or outlaws upon c square. Let me tell you a trick to write it. So if you see BO here, so replace it with another uh, with related to another place, and again here that place, and the final place is here. So there is a, you can see a pattern here, BG GO, and here is BO. So B and O, and we need to replace this by some other relative place. So we get speed of bullet with respect to ground is, speed of bullet with respect to ground is 5 by 7c. Let me just change, plus speed of ground with respect to outlaws. So speed of ground with respect to outlaws is minus 3 by 4c. Let me plug in the value again. Minus 3 by 4c divided by 1 minus 15 by 28. C square is cancelled, so we get 28, and here we get 20 minus, we get here is 21, and 28 is cancelled by 13. So C minus 1 by 13c is the speed of bullet with respect to outlaws is minus 1 by 13c. Now coming to uh, the next part, which is given by speed of ground with respect to bullet. So speed of ground, this is ground and this is bullet. So we calculated speed of bullet with respect to ground, just negative of that. Now coming to speed of police with respect to bullet, we calculated just before speed of bullet and police is minus 1 by 3c, and for speed of outlaws with respect to bullet, we just calculated speed of outlaws, it is 1 by 13c, again just replacing the negative sign. Then coming towards speed of bullet with respect to bullet is already zero. So now coming to the part this. So do they escape? That speed of outlaws with respect to bullet is this, and this is, so this is already negative and this is positive. So yes, they did escape again. Now coming to this part, again this is more, this is less. So yes, they did escape again. So these are the answers that we filled the gaps. I hope you understood this problem very well. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be helping you. And if you have any doubts in the upcoming videos or videos we have done before, let me know in the comment section. I'll be helping you. Thank you. Bye bye.